I was scared to take it off.
All right, Michaela made me do it. Here is the stamp up close, and here is the actual product. I'm gonna use stencil number 5. Let's go. So I placed the stencil, and then I'm gonna take the spoolie that it comes with and just kind of brush my brows up. Okay, here goes nothing. I am freaking out. So let's kind of make sure we're evenly coating it here. All right, here we go. So this doesn't look bad. This looks pretty good. I'm gonna put my brow soap on it. I have to soften the front just a little bit. Grab a little City Color brow soap, brush this through for some floof. So I couldn't leave it like that. I had to go back in with my brow pen and fix a few places. It is nice, but for me, I feel like I would still be grabbing this.
long-lasting matte foundation, only $9 from the brand Sheglam. Let's test it out. This is my skin with no foundation on. I'm using the shade Sand. What the hell? This looks so good for $9. This looks better than most high-end foundations, you guys. I never get close up, but look at the close-up, you guys. Here's the foundation with my full face on. I love it. Fun fact, the formula of this foundation was tested by 200 customers globally. The brand is so thoughtful. They want you guys to help them improve with this foundation by posting a picture and letting them know your feelings about if you love or hate the foundation. And they may choose you to win a $500 Shein gift card and all of Sheglam's new product launches for next year. What?